Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Sounds and Vibration. Following that, tap on Vibrate right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also click on Sound next to Vibrate, and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll down, click on Call Vibration, and tap on the best pattern for you. You can also disable this feature by choosing Silent. Then go back, click on Notification Vibration, and do exactly the same for your notifications. Following that, click on System Vibration and adjust haptic feedback for all of those options thanks to those switchers. Then manage intensity of system vibrations by swiping left or right on this slider. Then go back, click on Vibration Intensity, and adjust intensity of only system vibrations by swiping left or right over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!